Yup. Right back at another video, man. You got acting Ratchet to see how my husband reacts. Hilarious. By Carmen, hey man, look. Y'all know we came here to do, man. Y'all know we did come here to do, man. We came here straight to the point. What we didn't come here to do, man, is other stuff, man. With that being said, man, let's get right into the video.
That's a Chromebook with built-in virus protection, so you can click with confidence. With no more of this, and a lot more peace of mind. Move along, viruses. Switch to built-in virus protection. Switch to Chromebook.
What that is, a Hellcat joint? Hell yeah. On that car.
Caught. Here, Carmen. Here, Carmen.
You niggas so childish. I be thinking like that. Not like that.
I don't think I'm supposed to let them fries sit in the car that long. Hold up. Blame my tag. Baby, what you doing?
Damn!
Come on.
Hi. What's down? Okay, let's go.
The f with you?
What you talking about?
Oh, bro, what's wrong with her, boy? She tweaking, ain't she?
Let's go. Come on now. You know, I'm missing something. Wait a minute.
Man, if you don't take your ass back in the damn house and fix your damn self food.
There's nothing wrong with my face. Stop trying to judge me. You always want to judge me. Come on, you know I'm sensitive. So let's go. You want some?
You ain't going over behind me looking like that. The hell wrong with you?
I'm your wife. Let's go.
I ain't put my damn ring on because everybody get my fucking nerves talking about
Come
that
on.
ring. Why you throwing all this on my car like you crazy?
I'm crazy. Let's go. No, you already got trash right there anyway, so what are
That's
you
no
saying?
fucking trash. That's just candy. That's candy.
I'm going to the nail salon. I need to go to the nail salon.
Why'd you smacking that loud?
Why are you questioning everything that I'm doing?
Why you questioning everything that I'm doing?
Let's go. Oh, I know what you're missing. You missing something, boy. What you do with my thing? Whoa! Oh, let me get some more of these. Let me give you some of this stuff for more look. Come on.
Bro, I'm not going.
Come on, we gotta ride. Put your foot on the brake. Carmen, come on.
What's wrong with you?
It took me a time to put the clothes.
Booking most cruises can be complicated. Limited time promotions that only apply.
Son, you wanna act bougie now that you like my hair? Come on. I'm not annoying. Corey, let's go. Your energy is very trash. Let's go. Come on.
You gonna go back in the house and fix yourself for real?
No, I'm really going like this. You don't like my hair. I thought you like when I try new stuff in my hair. That's what I did. You see the details?
How look like a fool or something?
Let's not look a fool. Let's go. Let's go. You don't like me never seen me do this before. Look at this. You want it? Here, eat it.
Stop.
Come on. Let's ride. Come on.
Next time you say, come on, punch you in your damn teeth.
Come on. You still did it. So let's go. What you got in here? Why you ain't give me none? Why you ain't give me no fries?
That joint is old.
How old? That feel good. Why you ain't offering me nothing? You selfish? Why you being selfish?
You know you're coming behind me.
I got some wine. You want some wine?
You're not coming behind me like that. I'm just telling you that now.
How come I am your wife? You should allow me to be myself.
No.
I mean, how long that?
Yeah. Hey, you start smelling that fucking gone like that, for real.
It's not gone. First of all, it's fried.
Shut up.
Do it again. Do it again. Hi. See, it's not gone because I can't do what I do with the gone. I want to play with it, but I can't. Why you annoying? Enjoy life. Like, life is good right now.
Off the Skrilla, Bean 30. My shorty getting a call like this, I'm going in the house. We ain't going no more. It's a wrap. I'm cool. You go by your damn self. We ain't going nowhere. That shit over with. That shit over with. I ain't got time. For sure.
Why you being so mean, Corey? I almost choke on myself.
What? How you almost choke on yourself? How the fuck you choke on yourself?
You weird, dude.
Why you got a phone touching my throat? Why I need to take it out?
Oh, what?
Take it out. I really see it. No. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Something I know. I got a frog stuck in my throat.
Swallow it.
You gotta drink that motherfucking wine.
Stop doing all that. Stop doing all that, boy.
I'm bad at touching the damn gas.
Wait, stop it.
Dude. You didn't even drink nothing.
How you gonna tell me what I drunk? What? You're not in my body to tell me what I had and what I didn't have. This is the good shit right there. Where am I going with? Oh, right here. I found it.
Better put that damn gun on my fucking seats, I tell you that.
Nah, B. I ain't going through this. Stop. Hell no, I'm cool, shawty. You go ahead, go in the house and all that. I'm cool.
What you gonna do?
Nigga, you about to fucking tell your camera.
You doing that on purpose. Stop doing that and put your seatbelt on. Ride, daddy, ride.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna put you out.
Put me out. Somebody gonna pick me up on the street.
No, I'm fucking nobody gonna pick your ratchet ass.
Okay, say me. Oh, what?
Ratchet ass.
You calling me Ratchet?
That's exactly what you look like right now, ratchet.
Says the one that got these ugly ass shorts on. It's the shorts for me. It's some glasses for me. It's the...
Fridge bro, so I have to eat everything.
Hello, chicken.
I don't know.
Keep that away from me no matter what.
Just lemonade for me. Your thirsty ass. Huh? I need to go to the nail salon and give me some long nails because I think they changed my whole life around right now. When we go to the clinic? Some food?
I'm so disgusted with you right now.
You're disgusted. You know you like to hit it from the back. So what you talking about? How you disgusted by me? Hello? I'm talking to you. You not take me home. Why you gotta take me home?
Yeah, take her to the crib. You shouldn't even left when she got a call.
Bro, you being so childish right now. Stop doing all that. And enjoy the ride. Corey. Why you doing all that? Look, you don't like my earrings? You know, you so ungrateful, dude. I try my best to look cute for you and do all this cute stuff. And you just want to sit there and just write your damn card. That's all you care about. It's your damn stupid cards. You didn't even know that today I put some big earrings. I put a lipstick on. I put some. Why you doing?
Hey, take her to the crib, gang. She going to the crib, you know what I'm saying? You shouldn't even have left the house when she got in a car like that. I ain't dealing with that. That shit be. Hell nah, I'm cool.
All that.
You the one who doing the fucking most right now.
I ain't doing the fucking most right now. You just being too damn sensitive. And you being too dry right now. You act like you can have fun with me. Why you can have fun with me? Huh? I'm talking to you. Hello? Am I talking to myself now? Hello?
Dude, look.
I'm not a dude. I got a name. So you either gonna call my name or just don't call my name at all. Period. You know where we going?
I'm gonna take your ass back to the
Who said being impatient was a bad thing.
Yeah, you going home, shit. I ain't got
At Universal Technical Institute, you can graduate in less than a year with the skills.
fucking house.
Why?
Did you get yourself together? You.
I am. Myself is together.
Ah, you just weird.
So you mean to tell me it took me like 2 minutes to put these earrings on, and these earrings are very, very heavy right now?
It's gonna take you three seconds to take the bitches off.
So ungrateful, dude. This is the reason why I really just don't buy with you. I can't buy with you or nothing, because you just want to take me for crazy.
Dude, look at you.
And I can imagine crazy. I bet somebody gonna like me the way I look. Somebody gonna say, "Oh, mommy, you look good." I bet somebody gonna say that.
There will always be a damn fool in the world.
So you being a fool now because you with me? So you a fool because you with me? Basically, that's what you're saying? Huh? You couldn't even think when you talk. You just say anything that comes out of your mouth.
Somebody gonna be a fucking fool.
I'm ghetto.
Is that what you acting right
I ain't ghetto.
You acting ghetto right
I ain't ghetto.
Yeah, you is.
I ain't ghetto. I'm Hispanic.
Alright,
Fuck
I'm a
you.
Hispanic female. Hispanic woman. I am not ghetto. Hello?
They come with the word Hispanic.
I'm not getting out.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
Who you here to tell me to get out? Me and my daddy?
You finna go right in the fucking house.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
And now you got
No,
that,
I'm
now you
not.
got that shirt, your son tied that shirt like
So?
that, make no damn sense.
That's a fashion.
You know, that ain't no fucking fashion.
That's fashion. You don't know nothing about fashion because all you wear is black.
Okay. Alright, come on, go in the house.
Use them glasses for me.
Yeah, it's gonna be your ass for me.
You wanna be mean. You not mean. You can't even beat mean.
Be wet?
Mean! M-E-A-N. Mean!
Nah, you didn't say that. Your ass was saying mean.
No, I didn't. I said you wanna be mean.
You said minga.
Mean.
Go ask him.
Minga.
What's the mean to mean?
Now I got a D on the end of it.
No. No. I didn't say that. It's your fault. You can't listen right. God bless me. Ooh, you so rude. Why you didn't say bless you?
I'm coming to kill your ass. That's why
Why
I
you
say
gonna
that.
kill me? Say bless you.
Get out. Get my car.
I ain't getting out. This is my car.
Get out my car, man.
Get my car. I ain't getting out unless I say so.
I get off. I do the pleasure.
You should have been
We
down.
didn't even go nowhere. You literally told me to make a U-turn, then came back.
I'm not gonna go behind you like that. I swear I'm not. You stupid.
I'm stupid. So what if I didn't have nothing to put on, and this is exactly what I had to? See what I'm saying? You ungrateful. I'm tired of going behind you when you always got black on. I don't say shit.
Close the garage. Close the garage.
Yes, you do. You do look like a fool. You like a fool.
Close the garage.
You saw the black clothes for me. With your stupid ass. With your stupid ass. With your stupid ass. Ungrateful self. Somebody gonna love me. Watch this. Somebody wish they had this thing right here. Sure did. I ain't cleaning nothing up neither. Sure like. You got a problem with me? Why you sitting over there looking? What? You done 4 eyes for me. I come home. I'm gonna go in, watch. That's why this is the reason why I can't do nothing. I can never do nothing. What you say?
You can take that shit off.
Take what off? I ain't taking nothing off. I bought this. You ain't bought this. You didn't give me this. So why I gotta take that out just because you said take it off? What that's supposed to mean? Tell me to take it off. Boy, please. You wasting my time taking me out like I'm a little ass kid and took me for a damn U-turn. A U-turn. A U-turn. A U-turn. A U-turn. A U-turn. It's a long head for me.
I don't care what it is for you.
What kind of argument was that?
Sorry guys, I can't come to lunch.
It's the way you look for me.
So ugly ass.
You look ugly right now. That
I don't look ugly. No matter what I do, what I put on, I'ma always look cute. I'ma always look cute.
Got my face on.
I'm not in your face.
You wanna sneeze and do all that disrespectful ass shit. Move now, get back. No, I'm not kissing you right now.
Where you going with that charger?
I don't use it.
Where?
My phone needs charge.
Where? Okay, sit down right there.
I don't wanna go right now.
So where are you going?
To the garage.
Why you always trying to leave me?
I'm about trying to leave.
Yes, you is. You always trying to be outside.
Well, come outside then, fool.
No, it's too hot.
Well, that's your problem. That's a person.
That's your problem. Why you want to spend quality time with me in the couch?
I spent quality time with you, girl.
Right now. Why you want to go outside?
I don't miss my car.
You always your car. These those stupid ass cars for me. I'm tired of that. I'm tired of that. Stop doing it.
Wait, put your hand on me. I didn't touch you.
You know what?
I may be Ratchet, but I still got his hands. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Plug it.
Do
Plug
it.
your
Do it.
forehead.
Do it. And I'm going to have all the energy in the world to keep beating your ass.
Nah, wish I join your
If you want to be technical, if he plugged the piece to you and charge his phone up, he draining your energy to charge his phone up.
It was just a prank, babe.
Nah.
Babe! You really didn't take me nowhere.
Cause you never going behind me looking like that.
Why? What's wrong with my outfit? I don't see nothing wrong with my outfit.
Move.
Stop doing all that.
Come on
Stop
now.
doing all that.
Come on now.
Say where you going for real?
To the garage.
Full of oh.
I'm going to the garage. Is that a problem?
Yeah, that's our problem.
Well, fix it.
You fix it. You don't want to go to the garage, not me.
Man, look, dog, I'm trying to tell you one time, I leave me alone. Now you want to play and stuff. You already playing, yo, goofy ass. Goofy ass little girl. Goofy.
It was just a prank. Now, why you calling me stupid?
I didn't call you.
Why you say I look
said
stupid?
you look,
Why you say I look ratchet?
Cause you look stupid. Look, you got this in your head.
It is for the head.
First of all, what the fuck is this? What is this?
It's a dress, aka shirt.
And what you scratching your ass for?
It itches. That's normal people. That ain't just ratchet people.
Alright. Okay.
Yours too. Let me do it.
Nah, mine is.
Okay, well, that's a prank. In case. I don't have nothing in my face.
What you talking about?
Why you give me that stupid ass keys? That was a ratchet key. Now give me a keys. That even made no sound. Stop playing with me. Give me a key. Give me a key.
Yeah,
Give me a key.
yeah,
Give me a key. Give me a key. Got one for the team. One for the team. You should have gave me a kiss when I first asked for one. You better not wipe it off me, because that's your wife's lipstick. All right, it was just a prank, okay? I'm gonna leave it alone now. All right? Can we go now?
No, I'm not going now.
Okay, I can clean my... What?
I don't know what. I'm tired.
That's lying.
I ain't lying, I'm tired.
You always tired when it comes to me. Don't do it like that.
Wow.
Don't do me like that.
Get on my damn.
Ah, you lying. All right, I'm gonna close this video. Make sure you like.
That's in the video, man. Like, subscribe, y'all be easy, but keep your head, man. I love y'all.